Itel has just launched the P55 Plus, a budget smartphone that challenges expectations. With its fast charging, generous storage, and premium-looking design, all for under $130. Despite its affordable price, the P55 Plus delivers features often reserved for mid-range devices. Here is an in-depth look at what this newcomer offers. Opening the neatly designed red and white box reveals more than just the phone. Inside, you will find a 45-watt fast charger, a USB-C cable, a simple transparent protective case, a SIM ejector pin, and a wired earbud set. Itel even pre-applies a protective film, PPF, over the screen to prevent scratches. Seeing such a complete accessory package with a phone that retails for roughly $123 shows how committed Itel is to offering real value to customers. At first glance, the P55 Plus stands out thanks to its faux leather back panel. Unlike the plain plastic used in many budget phones, this leather-like material feels premium, resists fingerprint smudges, and offers a comfortable grip. The phone measures just 0.31 inches 8 millimeters in thickness and weighs around 6.6 ounces 187 grams, making it easy to handle with one hand. On the right edge, you will find separate volume buttons above a side-mounted power key that doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The left side houses a triple-slot tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card, so you can expand storage if needed. Along the bottom edge sits a mono speaker, a USB-C charging port, and a primary microphone. Although a single speaker cannot match stereo setups, its loudness proves adequate for calls, notifications, and casual media consumption. On the top edge, there is an additional microphone and antenna lines that blend discreetly into the frame. At the very bottom of the phone rear, a small, designed by Itel logo reminds you of its origins. The P55 Plus uses a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen with HD resolution, typically 720 by 1600 pixels, with a maximum refresh rate of 90 Hz. The display feels smoother when scrolling through social media feeds or playing light games. However, since it remains an LCD panel, viewing angles reveal slightly thicker bezels and some black bars when you tilt the phone. The screen also shows a mild yellowish tint out of the box, but you can adjust the color temperature in settings to achieve a more neutral look. Brightness peaks at around 400 nits, which is modest and may struggle under bright sunshine for typical indoor or shaded outdoor use, though it still provides acceptable clarity. Under the hood, the P55 Plus runs Android 13 on a Unisoc T606 chipset built using a 12nm fabrication process. This system-on-chip is common in entry-level devices, prized for its balanced performance and low power consumption. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, and the option to convert up to 8 GB of that into virtual RAM, the phone handles everyday tasks like messaging, browsing, and video streaming without significant lag. In benchmark tests, it scored around 279,210 points on Antutu, which is respectable for its price segment. You can choose between 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, both of which are generous amounts for a budget phone. Such capacity lets you store thousands of photos, hours of music, and plenty of apps without worrying about running out of space. For light mobile gaming, titles like Arena of Valor or League of Legends Wild Rift, the device performs adequately on low to medium graphics settings. If you attempt graphically intensive games like PUBG Mobile, dialing back the resolution to its lowest setting is recommended to maintain smooth frame rates. A built-in GameSpace feature helps you optimize resources when gaming by disabling background tasks and notifications to reduce lag. Itel equips the P55 Plus with a dual camera system on the back. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel shooter that captures good detail in well-lit conditions. Paired with a 0.08 megapixel depth sensor, the phone can simulate background blur for portrait shots. In daylight, photos show natural colors and reasonable sharpness, though slightly desaturated compared to higher-end models. Low-light images reveal more noise, but interestingly, the device handles bright lights, such as street lamps or candles, without excessive glare or blown-out highlights. On the front, an 8-megapixel selfie camera sits inside a small punch-hole cutout. It offers basic portrait and beautification modes. While the selfies will not rival flagship-grade clarity, they do the job for social media uploads and video calls. One of the most impressive features of the Itel P55 Plus is its 5000 mAh battery. In daily use, comprising calls, social media, and light video streaming, you can expect a full day of operation on a single charge. With more demanding activities like gaming or extended video playback, the screen-on time still reaches 6 to 7 hours, which is more than most budget phones achieve. Equally notable is the 45-watt fast charging capability. In real-world tests, the phone charges from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes and reaches a full 100% in under 60 minutes. Having such rapid replenishing power at this price point is rare, and greatly reduces downtime. For under $130, the Itel P55 Plus delivers a premium leather-like design, ample storage, reliable performance, and exceptional fast charging. Its 6.6-inch display with 90 Hz refresh feels fluid for everyday browsing. And the 5000 mAh battery ensures you stay powered through a busy day. Cameras perform respectably in good light, and the dual SIM plus micro SD card slot adds flexibility, as long as you can overlook its modest brightness and typical LCD limitations. The P55 Plus offers an unbeatable combination of features for its price. If you are shopping on a tight budget, but still want fast charging and roomy storage, this device is well worth considering.